We'll guide you through how to install the Facebook Lite app on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So the Facebook Lite app is a lightweight version of the Facebook app. So if you've got minimal resources or minimal space, this is a great way of still being able to have a version of Facebook on your device. So we're going to guide you through getting it. What you need to do is you need to make sure you've got a connection to the internet, whether that's Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then you want to go and find the Play Store. You can find it on your homepage, or you can swipe up and search for the top there. Come to the bottom and you need to press search, and then we can press search at the top, and we're going to go and type in Facebook Lite, like so. Wait for it to go and load, and as you can see here it is, and then what you can do is go and press install to the right. Now you can wait, it's going to be pretty quick because it's a really small app, as you can see, and it's installing. When it finishes, you can press open to the right there, or we can come out of here and swipe up and come in your app pages and swipe across and go and find it. There it is. So we can go and tap and hold our finger on it, and adding it to the home. Then we can tap on it and go and open it up, and then we're going to be able to go and log in and use it. So that's it. Otherwise, you can go and create an account if you haven't already got one. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.